Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to fix Telegram wallet unsupported region. So first, let's open the app Telegram app. Then we search for wallet. Then we click this and we're gonna restart it and go to wallet. So here we can see it says unsupported region. Wallet is unavailable in your country. If you have a VPN active, please disable it to continue. So we follow the instruction. We go to our VPN and wait for it. So here we are connected. Or all we're gonna do is we need to disconnect it. Yeah, and then we go back to our Telegram app and search for our wallet. So yeah, we open our wallet and we're all set.